この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Ta-da! Welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. Do you guys miss me? Fine. Anyway, I'm Cherri and I will be your host for today's episode because it's about my car, my S2000. Yay!
So you're stealing my job now? So the car has been sitting here at Element 6 Design getting the clutch fixed because the clutch was overheating at bottom wheel
Couple
months ago. And now it's fixed.
And I can finally take her home.
Yay!
And also, I got a Christmas present for my baby. Not this one, but this one. And it's a DEPO taillight, and we are gonna install it in this episode today, all by myself.
Well, let's see about that.
I don't trust myself. Let's go. Let's do it. Ta-da! Oh, it's not heavy.
It's not that heavy.
Let's go. Let's open it. I love unboxing.
I didn't buy her this tail light. She bought it all by herself with her own money.
Well, I didn't tell Vincent until I bought it.
But I'm glad she did it though.
I've been wanting the DEPO taillight since I got the S2000.
So you bought the S2000 because of this tail light?
No! I know a lot of people like the stock one or the body cup one. But I like this one because it's
I think they called it the C light.
The C light, yes. My name starts with a C.
Okay. That's cool. Ooh.
I like this one because it's more smooth. You know, it's a C. The body cup one is like
the Lamborghini style.
Yeah, I like the smooth one. I think it matches S2000 better. Ta-da!
Alright, then let's see how you...
Oh, and it's smoke.
Oh, it's smoked?
Yeah, I think. If they send the right item, then it should be smoke. It looks like this. Alright,
yeah,
so
it looks smoked.
Let's see what else we have in this package. Okay, they actually got an instruction inside.
Well, I think it's just plug and play, so everything should be straightforward.
With pictures. I think I should be good.
Yeah.
And we got gaskets and some hardware here. What's it? Oh, and covers?
Yeah,
covers. And another set of covers.
So, yeah, this should be it.
That's everything in the box. And we're gonna borrow Element 60 size garage and install this onto the car. Yeah. So I'm gonna move the car in the garage and let's get it started.
Ooh, good luck.
Dun, dun, dun. So we finally got the tail light installed. It's definitely not an easy plug and play like someone said.
Well, you still got it installed after all.
Yeah, we still get it done and it's beautiful.
Yay! Good
Do you
job.
guys like it? Let me know in the comment below. So it's getting dark outside. This is probably the wrap for today's video. But I still want to take the time to thank Element 6 Design for letting me use the garage to install this. And also a special thanks to Mark, who helped me out a lot during the installation. Yay! So that's it. Remember to like this video, subscribe our channel, and leave a comment down below. Remember, everything starts with a dream. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Don't break it.
Have I?
Oh, nope, you broke it.
I broke it. Shit!